Okay, so today we're going to do a tutorial that starts with the house that you did in tutorial 1. The walls are 6 meters long by 5 meters. It's 2 meters high and the wall thickness is 30 centimeters. There's 4 windows and a door. Okay, this is in a meter template. So all your measurements down here will be in meters. Okay, so we need to build a roof for this building. So we're going to build it off to one side. So you need the rectangle tool, which is this one. And we'll draw ourselves another rectangle. We type on here 6, 5. You can see 6, 5 come in the bottom right hand corner, and we press enter. We get our rectangle. All right, now I'm going to put a line down the middle. So I choose the pen tool. Now I'm going to press down on my mouse button, press shift to pan so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, I've got my pen. Midpoint comes up as blue here. So I'm going to draw a line midpoint to midpoint. So I'm going to click here, click and release, remember. Click and release, and then click and release here. So now I've got a line down the midpoint. I want to draw a line up to 1 meter from here. So I'm going to click here. That now is an end point, so it's green. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to type 1. So 1 appears in the bottom right hand corner and enter. Now I've got a 1 meter line that you can't see under here, but you'll see when I start to draw another line, if I drag up here at 1 meter, it picks up this green dot, which means that's an endpoint. So that's an endpoint of the line you drew from here to here. So now I click on that and I can draw, zoom out a bit, I can draw lines from here and here. Now I'm going to do the same thing here, draw a line, drag this up here, and I'm going to type 1 and enter. Now I've got a 1 meter line you can't see here, but when I go to 1 meter off the end, I get an end point. So I click here, go here, click here, go here. All right, now I pick my select tool, and I select this one, and I press delete on the keyboard. So I get rid of those, click that, press delete. Okay, so now I've got the shape of the roof. All I need to do is pull this line up and the whole thing will come up. So I click on the move tool, click on the center line. Now, this piece will move with my mouse now. The problem is it moves in all different directions. So if I press the up arrow on the keyboard, you see it says on blue axis. That means it's constrained to the blue axis. So all I can do is pull it up and down. I want it to go up 1 meter. I type 1 and enter, and now my roof is 1 meter high. So I go back to my select tool. I can pan around, I can orbit around, sorry. I can press shift and pan, and I can zoom. Okay, so all we need to do now is put this roof on this building. So to move things, you need to say, I want to move this to here, but you need to say, I want to move this corner to this corner. So we hit the move tool. Oh no, actually, sorry, mistake. I'm going to press spacebar to get out of that. The first thing we need to do is we need to group these parts together. So with my select tool, I highlight all that, right click, go make group. Now that becomes a group. Same thing here, highlight all this, right click, go make group. Now, when I highlight these things, they look different. They're actually all selected together because they're groups. Now I hit the move tool. I'm going to pick this corner. Oh, because I had the house selected, the house is moving. I want to escape out of that. Sorry, I want to select, pick my select tool, click that, I go move, I'll move that corner, and then I can actually quite easily then snap it to that corner there. And then press spacebar to get out of my tool. I select nothing, and now I've got a house with a roof. Okay, thanks very much. Don't forget to save it.